Conversation about final exam.
Hey Michael, how did your final exam go?
Hi. It was okay, I guess. I studied a lot, but some questions were really hard.
Yeah, I felt the same way. That math section was tough.
Totally. I had to guess on a few of those questions. How about you?
Yeah, me too. But I think I did okay on the other parts. How do you think you did overall?
I'm not sure, to be honest. I'm just glad it's over.
I hear you. I'm so ready for summer break now. No more studying.
Definitely. Hey, do you want to hang out this weekend and celebrate being done with exams?
Absolutely. Let's do something fun. Maybe we can go to the movies or have a barbecue at my place.
Sounds awesome. I can't wait. Thanks for being such a great friend during exam time.
Anytime, Michael. We're in this together. Now let's enjoy our freedom.
Conversation about searching a job.
Hey Tom. How's everything going?
Hey. I'm doing okay, thanks. How about you?
I'm all right. Hey, have you started looking for a job yet?
Yeah, I've been searching online, but it's been tough finding something.
I know what you mean. What kind of job are you looking for?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe something in customer service or maybe even retail.
Cool. Have you tried looking on job websites like Indeed or LinkedIn?
Yeah, I've been checking those out. Do you know any other places I should try?
You could also try looking on company websites directly. Sometimes they post job openings there.
That's a good idea. Thanks for the tip.
No problem. And don't forget to ask your friends and family if they know of any job openings too.
Will do. I'll keep looking. Hopefully, I'll find something soon.
I'm sure you will. Just keep at it and something will come up.
Conversation about farewell party.
Hey, Emily. Have you heard about the college farewell party?
Yeah, I heard about it. Can't believe we're almost done with college.
I know, right? It feels like we just started yesterday. Are you excited about the farewell party?
Definitely. It's going to be sad saying goodbye to everyone, but I'm also looking forward to celebrating all the memories we've made.
Yeah, me too. Hey, have you thought about what you're going to wear?
Not yet. Do you have any ideas?
Well, I was thinking of wearing a nice dress. Something not too fancy but still classy.
That sounds good. I'll probably wear something similar then.
Great. Oh, and don't forget to think about what we're going to say during our farewell speeches.
Oh yeah, I almost forgot about that. I'll start thinking about what to say and maybe write some notes.
Sounds like a plan. It's going to be an emotional but memorable night, for sure.
Absolutely. I'm grateful for all the friendships and experiences we've had during these years.
Me too. Let's make this farewell party one to remember.
Conversation about making money.
Hey Mark. How's everything?
Hey. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing all right. Hey, have you ever thought about making money online?
Yeah, I've heard about it. How do people do that?
Well, there are lots of ways. Some people sell things they make, like crafts or artwork, on websites.
That sounds cool. What else can we do?
You can also do things like freelancing, where you offer your skills to do jobs for people online.
Oh, like writing or designing stuff?
Exactly. And some people even make money by sharing their hobbies or interests on blogs or YouTube.
Wow, I didn't know you could do so much online. But is it easy to start?
It can take some time to build up, but if you're passionate and consistent, you can definitely make it work.
I'll have to look into it more. Thanks for sharing.
No problem, Mark. Let me know if you need any help getting started.
Conversation about planning a trip.
Hey Sarah. How's it going?
Hi. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. Hey, I was thinking, do you want to plan a trip together?
Yeah, that sounds awesome. Where do you want to go?
I was thinking we could go to the beach. What do you think?
That sounds perfect. When should we go?
How about next weekend? Is that okay with you?
Yeah, next weekend works for me. Do you know how we'll get there?
We could take a bus or maybe even drive there. What do you prefer?
I think driving would be more fun. Plus, we can stop wherever we want on the way.
Great! I'll look up some places to stay near the beach. Do you want to split the cost?
Sure, that sounds fair. Let's also make a list of things we need to pack, like sunscreen and towels.
Definitely. I'll make a checklist so we don't forget anything.
Awesome. I can't wait for our trip to the beach.
Me too. It's going to be so much fun spending time together.
Conversation about college crush.
Hey Jessica. Guess what? I saw you talking to Mark in the cafeteria today.
Oh, hi. Yeah, Mark is in my economics class. We were just discussing the homework.
Sure. I saw the way you were smiling at each other. Do you have a crush on Mark?
Well, maybe a little. He's really nice and funny.
That's so cute. Are you planning to ask him out?
I don't know. I'm kind of nervous about it.
Don't worry, Jess. Just be yourself. Maybe you could ask him to study together or grab coffee sometime.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Thanks for the advice.
Of course. And even if things don't work out with Mark, there are plenty of other guys out there.
You're right. I'll keep that in mind. Thanks for being such a great friend.
Anytime, Jess. Now go get him.
Conversation about drama rehearsal.
Hi Lisa. How was the drama rehearsal yesterday?
Hi. It was so much fun. We practiced some of the scenes from the play, and I think it's going really well.
That's awesome. I'm glad to hear it. What scene did you rehearse?
We worked on the opening scene where the characters meet for the first time. It's a bit tricky, but we're getting the hang of it.
That sounds exciting. I can't wait to see the play when it's ready.
Yeah, me too. It's going to be great performing in front of an audience.
Definitely. I'm sure you'll all do an amazing job. Do you need any help with your lines or anything?
Thanks for offering, but I think we're good for now. We've been practicing a lot, so hopefully, we'll be ready in time for the performance.
Sounds like a plan. Break a leg. I know you'll nail it.
Thanks. I'll do my best. And hey, you should come watch the play when it's on. It would mean a lot to me.
Of course, I wouldn't miss it for the world. I'll be there cheering you on.
Conversation about feelings.
Hey Mark. Can we talk for a moment?
Yeah, sure. What's up?
I wanted to talk about what happened yesterday. I felt really hurt when you made fun of my presentation in front of everyone.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. I was just trying to be funny.
I understand, but it made me feel embarrassed and disrespected. I worked really hard on that presentation.
I didn't realize it would upset you that much. I should have been more considerate. I'm sorry.
It's okay, but I just wanted you to know how I felt. I value our friendship, and I don't want things like this to come between us.
I feel the same way. I don't want our friendship to be affected by silly arguments. I'll try to be more mindful of your feelings in the future.
Thank you, Mark. I appreciate that. Let's make sure we communicate better and respect each other's feelings.
Agreed. I'm glad we talked about this. Let's move forward and continue supporting each other.
Definitely. Thanks for understanding.
Conversation about collaborating.
Hi, Sarah. Can I talk to you about something?
Hi, sure. What's on your mind?
I just wanted to say that I really appreciate how well we've been working together on our recent group projects. It's been great collaborating with you.
Thanks. I feel the same way. I think we make a great team.
Definitely. I love how we're always on the same page and willing to listen to each other's ideas.
Yeah, it makes the whole process so much smoother and more enjoyable.
Absolutely. I think our ability to communicate effectively and respect each other's opinions has been key to our success.
I couldn't agree more. I'm grateful to have a partner like you who I can rely on and trust.
Likewise. Let's keep up the good work and continue supporting each other throughout our time at college.
Absolutely. Together, we can achieve anything. Thanks for being such a great friend and teammate.
Conversation about disagreement.
Hey Lisa, can we chat for a moment?
Sure. What's on your mind?
I wanted to talk about the disagreement we had yesterday. I felt like you didn't listen to my ideas during our group project discussion.
Oh, I'm sorry if it seemed that way. I thought I was considering everyone's input. What specifically did I miss?
Well, when I suggested we approach the project from a different angle, it felt like you dismissed my idea without really listening to it.
I see. I didn't mean to come across that way. I guess I was just focused on sticking to the plan we already had.
I understand, but I think it's important for us to consider all options before making a decision. Can we try to be more open-minded in the future?
Of course. I'll make an effort to listen to your ideas and consider them seriously. I value our friendship and our ability to work together.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Let's make sure we communicate better and respect each other's perspectives.
Agreed. I'm glad we talked about this. Let's move forward and continue collaborating effectively.
Definitely. Thanks for understanding.
Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our new videos and also comment. For more videos like this, please check out the playlist on end screen. Thanks for watching.